Hey, so welcome to this Profit Protector Pro video. So I'm going to show you the bulk inventory section, which is a place that you can download different types of CSV files in order to update things like your minimum, maximum prices, break even, cost price, strategy, and more all in one easy place, because it is a lot simpler to do it on a spreadsheet where you've got everything all in one place and you can quickly work through and amend things. So firstly, let's talk through the different CSV options. So you've got the full inventory CSV here, which is obviously everything in your inventory. You have the in-stock inventory CSV, which is just everything that's in stock. You have the option to download a CSV by filters. So if you click on this here, you can choose what exactly you want in the spreadsheet. So if it's just things that need a min and a max price, maybe things that are FBA as well, you can tick as many of these as you like. So whatever you want in your spreadsheet, you can also click on show strategies and filter that way too, and then just click on export when you are finished. You also have the option of the blank template CSV as well. So what happens when you download this is you get the format in the spreadsheet. You get the exact same format that you'd get if you downloaded the full inventory or in stock, but obviously it's blank. And what you can do here is add in all of the information yourself. So it works a little bit like the Chrome extension. So if there's anything that you want to add into Profit Protector Pro to set up repricing information for in advance, that's what you'd use a blank template CSV for. So you can add in all of that information, obviously save it and then upload it, and then it will add all of that information into Profit Protector Pro, and then it will just need to sync with Amazon to get the last bits and pieces. But you can set up repricing information for new items in advance, and obviously in bulk, because you're doing it via the CSV. So now that we've taken a look at that, before we go any further, let's take a look at these key tables. So the first one you have is for the marketplace. Now, this isn't too relevant at the minute. It's just a case of understanding what you are seeing in the spreadsheet. So for example, if you saw DE, that's for Germany. If you saw NL, that's for Netherlands and so forth. So it's just helping you understand what you see in the spreadsheet. One that's a bit more important is the strategy key table. So you got all of these numbers here. If you were to add a strategy into the spreadsheet, then what you need to do is use the relevant number for the correct strategy. So for example, in the spreadsheet, if you were entering in 20, that would be for the super aggressive dominator. If it was 1, it would be for match buy box and so forth. So you just need to enter in the correct number. You then have the SNL and EFN pan toggle. So if any of these apply to any of your items, if you wanted to apply the EFN pan toggles or SNL, which is small and light, you need to leave it as 0 for if you want them off, or enter in 1 if you want to turn them on. So now that we understand these key tables, let's go ahead and download a CSV. So let's do the full inventory CSV here and open that up. So this is what the Excel spreadsheet is going to look like. So some things that you can't amend would be the SKU, the ASIN, the marketplace, or the title. This won't make any difference to anything, and in fact it might cause errors when you go to upload the spreadsheet. So please don't change anything in SKU, ASIN, marketplace, or title. What you can change, however, is anything in the min price, max price, buy price, break even. You can also add in a strategy as well, which is where we would refer to the numbers key table that I mentioned. So for example, 20 would be for the super aggressive dominator, and you just enter in the number that you want for the strategy. For the custom strategy field, basically, if you want to add in a custom strategy, as long as it is turned on and active in the custom strategy section in Profit Protector Pro, all you need to do is enter in the exact name that you have set up for that custom strategy, and it will apply it. For the automations, it's exactly the same. So if you have set up an automation and you want to apply it to any of your items, you just need to make sure that it's turned on in the automation section, and you add in the relevant automation name, the exact one, exactly as you have entered it in. You then have the small and light toggle, the EFN pan toggle, which basically if you leave that as 0, it's off, and if you enter in 1, it will apply that toggle. You then have the VAT override. So if you're working with a different VAT percentage for whatever reason, then you can enter that in here, so whatever that may be. And once you have finished everything in the CSV file and you're happy with everything that you see, make sure that you then save it. So save as. Make sure that you keep it as a CSV. So let's rename this. Save. Now let's go back to Profit Protector Pro. So now all we need to do is upload the inventory CSV. So there it is. As we can see, the file is ready. So let's go ahead and upload that. So it says success, your CSV has been uploaded. It may take a short while to process. Please check back here soon for a progress update. So it will take a bit of time to apply any changes that you've made in the CSV, but you should see that all of that come through into your Profit Protector Pro inventory. So it's a handy way of amending your inventory in bulk and adding in things also. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next training video.